XRP to $589. The Simpsons' huge new XRP price prediction. Ripple XRP News Today 2021. The Simpsons have been making wild predictions for a while now, and a lot of those do come true. They have managed to predict several major historical events, along with a few less momentous happenings throughout the years. For instance, back in 2014 they made a prediction about FIFA's corruption scandal that came true a year later in 2015. The Simpsons predicted America's Ebola outbreak and even smartwatches. They have now made some life-altering predictions about cryptocurrencies. We are very interested in finding out what those are, and we're sure that you are too. Hey guys! Glad to have you back. For today's video, we have a lot of juicy news for you. We are going to talk about America's all-time favorite sitcom The Simpsons, and their strangely accurate predictions. We will also talk about the latest XRP news and price predictions. We also have XRP price analysis, and more information surrounding Ripple at the end. So stay tuned and watch the video until the end. Before diving into the video, if you love money and crypto, like the video and subscribe to the channel to watch more such videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Shall we?
You want to win an iPhone 12, maybe a MacBook Pro. How about $500 cash? You decide. All you have to do is comment the secret hidden message somewhere in this video, and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel so we can keep affording these giveaways.
The animators coming up with such accurate predictions is almost as if these animators have some sort of supernatural powers. Jokes apart, a lot of us have spent a good part of our childhood watching the show. It's always fun to look back at old memories from the past and share them with others. Feel free to comment down below and tell us about your favorite childhood memory. Predicting what's gonna happen in the next few minutes or hours makes sense, but predicting what's gonna happen after a decade or more is not an easy task. However, The Simpsons have performed this consistently enough that at this point we don't doubt it. Did you guys know that The Simpsons had predicted a while ago that Donald Trump would one day be the president? In a 2016 interview, the writer Dan Greeny explained the joke was meant as a warning to the country. That just seemed like the logical last stop before hitting bottom, he said. It was pitched because it was consistent with the vision of America going insane. There have been instances when the plot lines have frightening similarities to actual events, so it is only fair to say that their crypto predictions are also gonna come true for good. The fact that our very favorite Simpsons have predicted that cryptocurrencies are going to be the next big thing is also something that all the investors and crypto fans want. Also in the episode, Marge and Homer goes on a date outside a barn tagged with the words Crypto Barn. The place is also surrounded by swings, slogans and phrases such as, a place for codes, and a lot of codes. After all that, a few years later we see America's longest-running sitcoms to predict that XRP's price is eventually going to reach somewhere close to $600. Does it seem like a coincidence to you guys? We don't think so. If you take a look at a few of Bart's chalkboard predictions, you would come to know that how often they were sprinkled with innuendos and playful puns with a very serious underlying message for us. Although it gets up to a fair share of shenanigans, there have always been plenty of wise jokes behind the Simpsons chalkboard over the years, and mostly because of Bart, the show has been able to predict some of the most popular trends of all time. As by now, everyone knows that Ripple Labs and its native asset token XRP have been the center of attention for a while now. The SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is critical in defining the cryptocurrency classifications in the United States. We firmly believe that the outcome of this lawsuit would most likely set a standard for the rest of the crypto assets. While this lawsuit keeps on dragging, all the fans and investors are very interested in knowing if XRP can manage to keep its value and price at a high level. Now a classic moment in the TV comedy history is the chalkboard gag in the intro of The Simpsons. You see Bart Simpson going through certain words on the chalkboard. Bart Simpson has written a lot of very important messages on the chalkboard throughout the years, more than anyone could even imagine. From controversial political statements, smart mouth remarks to sarcastic and provocative remarks, we have got it all. In between all this, we can see Bart's scribble about XRP hitting $589, which is close to $600.
That's why I'm here to talk about the really cool subject of distributed consensus-based cryptocurrency. Kachinga.
Being a cryptocurrency fan and investor, this instantly caught our eye. We suppose that this is the most mysterious chalkboard scribble that we have seen. Moving on, in an episode called The Blockchain, two important predictions were made about XRP. The first prediction is about the price of XRP. Moreover, the modes of operations of cryptocurrencies are shown as well as the blockchain works. Jim Parsons, who plays Sheldon Cooper on The Big Bang Theory, makes a guest appearance on the show to talk about cryptocurrency. In the same episode, Simpsons professor Frank introduces Lisa to cryptocurrencies with a TV show with the show's most beloved scientist being Mr. Jim Parson. He then further explains to her that we need a record of all the transactions for cryptocurrencies to work, and then introduces the distributed ledger and its function. He tells Lisa that the transactions are recorded in the ledgers. As each ledger book is completely filled up, it is then added to a chain of books that is the blockchain. Then he sings a song to give Lisa a better understanding, which goes like, "I am a consensus of shared and synchronized data, all spread out on multiple platforms from Shanghai to Granada. With each passing day, I become the cash of the future. I'm not in your wallet, I'm in your computer." The gist is something like that. Jim concludes in a great style by saying that he knows who Satoshi is, but he doesn't actually say who it is. Now that's interesting. If you don't know, Satoshi Nakamoto is the pseudonym used by the person or the group of persons who actually developed Bitcoin. Another episode of The Simpsons hinted that cryptocurrencies will be the cash of the future. It's not a matter of how but when. The interesting thing to note here is that all these predictions were made about 15 to 20 years back, which appears to be coming true once again. Charles Montgomery Burns, who is the boss of The Simpsons, was presented with a card that looks something like a credit or Visa card being used today in a fancy box. Just as is expected with The Simpsons predictions. Putting the pieces together, what we understand from this is that XRP would soon be paired with its own credit card to finally replace the previously existing SWIFT. Moreover, the official Forum for Monetary and Financial Institutions has backed up all these claims. The banks of the world conducted a survey recently who agreed that SWIFT-powered payments are often expensive. Moreover, they involve many parties and entail many obstacles. Therefore, being the disadvantage of using the SWIFT payments system. A survey which was published by a banking institution suggested that SWIFT is not suitable for corporations. We believe that XRP's price of $589 is just a starting point for the upcoming bull run in near future. For all that is going on for XRP, you might as well expect a full-fledged crypto-themed Simpsons show soon. This trend of predicting the future of XRP and other crypto assets is also just starting. While it remains unclear what more shows bring, we assure you that this is not the end. The Simpsons has, as of now, built a reputation for predicting the future with its 30th season currently airing. So what do you think are the chances of this prediction coming true? Is it likely that The Simpsons, as you have seen in the past, will predict XRP accurately once again? Share your thoughts down in the comments sections. It will be highly appreciated. Let's now talk about XRP's price analysis and future predictions. XRP is currently trading at 1.2260, while it closed at 1.0856 yesterday. As you can see on the 7 days chart from CoinMarketCap, XRP's performance over the past few days has been alternating between high and low levels. One day it's high and the very next day we can observe a dip and so on. The highest price that it has reached in the past week is 77.53 cents and the lowest price was 69.9 cents. XRP has a current supply of 99,990,349,851 with 46,171,815,477 in circulation, making it the 6th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization. It is currently trading on 625 active markets with $2,259,581,632.04 traded over the last 24 hours. Since we know that the Simpsons predictions are usually right, be it Donald Trump or cryptocurrency or any other thing. If you are an XRP investor, you are for sure expecting that you can earn the most on your investment. You can do this by holding on to it for now. If you are new to the crypto world and are unsure about which crypto asset to invest in, the safest option available for you right now is XRP. In the end, as we always warn you guys, invest only what you can afford to lose. The cryptocurrency market is highly volatile, and by the time this video is up, the prices might have changed to a whole different value. Our research is the reflection of our work. It is not any sort of financial advice, so make sure you do your own research before investing, and make sure to consult a financial advisor. That said, this is it for today's video. If you want to continue to know about XRP, we have more videos waiting for you on our channel to check out. We hope that our video was helpful for you regarding your cryptocurrency concerns and questions. Tell us in the comments section what you think about Simpsons' wild predictions. Also, tell us what you want to see next. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.